Josh Ritter, let me go to you. We talked before you got on the air about the Gabby Petito and Brian Laundrie case, which is all on the top of our heads. I think a national consciousness where we saw this young woman, in tears, and she was considered at that time possibly the abuser of Brian Laundrie, and she ends up dead. Do you think juries around the country now are understanding the importance of domestic violence and treating domestic violence, or certainly the discussion of it, as something that must be dealt with and the police must deal with it?
Yeah, I think that Laundrie case certainly brought some nationwide attention to this epidemic that really we're suffering in this country dealing with domestic violence. But it's so sad to hear, especially in a case like this, where the police had been out there before, that this wasn't the first time this woman had made a cry for help. And for her to have to bring it to this point, you talk about it being a tragedy. I mean, there was a child, a 3-year-old, inside of the house. They have 2 other children. There is no. This ends sad, as it was mentioned. Any way you look at it, you have a dead father, and then you have the mother who now, for the rest of her life, is going to have to raise these children and explain to them exactly what happened.